Hey guys, do you want to lock a folder on your MacBook with a password? Here's the easiest way to do it in 2026, with no extra apps needed. Now, this method is built into macOS, which is super secure and only takes a few minutes. First, go to your menu bar on your top right and click on the magnifying glass to open the Spotlight search. Then, type disk utility and hit enter. Go to the top menu and click on File. Then press New Image and choose Blank Image. Then, under Save As, I'll name it as Locked Folder. I'll do the same under Name and rename it as Locked Folder. Then, you can adjust the size depending on how much files you will be putting in your folder. Now, set the encryption to 256-bit and create a password. Type down your password and verify it after. Make sure to remember your password because there's no way to recover it if you forget it. Once you're done with all of that, you can hit save. And now we have our locked folder. By default, after saving it, this folder is still open. So I'll create a new folder to use as an example for the folder with the files we want locked. Once you have your folder, you'll just drag this into the locked folder. Then, eject first the locked folder by bringing it down to trash. Now, to open the folder, we'll double-click on the lock folder.dmg. Then, it will ask for the password to have access to the files in it. Once you enter the password, the lock folder will open up again and you can finally access it and the files in it. After opening your locked folder, don't forget to eject it every time by dragging it to trash so that the folder will lock again and only you can access it through the password. That's all for today. Now please subscribe for more tech tutorials by your tech guru.